Hello everyone, today's video is about chicken sliders. I know that you never expected a person's voice in our videos, but we thought let's give it a try and maybe you would like it. So let us know if you like this style of recipe videos. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to cook amazing chicken sliders. Starting with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon of American mustard. Actually we wanted to use honey mustard here, but we didn't have any, so stuck with the American. Then add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. And finally add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Mix it well. Okay, I do love that color. Moving on. Now chop 1 big onion and please try not to cry. Next up, chop 1 big tomato. And then 1 chicken breast. Just cut it into small pieces. Pro tip, get a sharp knife for this one. Even though our knife was sharp, it would stick. Now add some oil in a pan. That looks like 2 to 3 tablespoons to me. Then 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Now of course we love garlic. Then add the chicken pieces and chopped onions. Cook well. Now add the chopped tomatoes and then the sauce which we made earlier. Mix well and let it cook till the water reduces. Meanwhile, chop some pickled cucumber. You can get these in your local stores, but we chose to make our own. For those interested in DIY, stay tuned because the video is coming soon. Now take 2 tablespoons mayonnaise and then 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup and 1 tablespoon of American mustard. And then add the chopped pickle. Mix well. Now let us begin with the assembly. Here's 1 Ladi Pav. Now we have cut the upper pillowy half of the pav and divided the ladi in 2 sets of 4 because we'll show you 2 methods to make them. Shower mozzarella cheese on top because we love cheese. Who doesn't? Now add the chicken. Top it off with some diced mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Doesn't look like cheddar, but Amul says so. We'll microwave one till the cheese melts. Okay, the melted cheese looks awesome. Let us finish this set by applying the pickle spread to the pillowy half of the pav and place it down on the sliders. Now all that is left to do is pull. Let us make the second set of sliders. Apply butter to your heart's content. Okay, not too much. Place the sliders and cover and cook till the cheese melts. Do the same with this set by applying the pickle spread and enjoy. Give this recipe a try and you can take my word for it. Let us know if you liked this new way of instruction so that we'll continue to do it this way. If not, then we'll stick to our old way. See you all in another video. Till then, thank you for watching.